Hi guys, this is Annie from Ami Trades. Hope you guys are all doing good. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. I just wanted to update on a few questions that are commonly asked and some information here. How do we play the levels in the mornings, the triggers level that I give in the mornings? How do you play those? Now, the morning moves are really fast. You cannot wait for a 5 minute candle confirmation all the time to confirm a candle close and then get in a stock because it's the moves are really fast and volatile in the mornings. The trade usually takes minutes to play out in the morning. So you need to have confidence when you're entering a trade. Even a 1 to 2 minute candle close in the morning should be okay. And you can play out the levels that I give you and get out on the target areas, or before that, just good level of your profits there and just come out with those. For example, the trade from this morning, Google puts. So you see how I had given that the that we are going to get in puts if it breaks down, the stock breaks down the level at 1193. So we had seen that it had already broken down some support level of 1200, and it had already made its move to 1195 in pre-market. So that's why I went out with a more confirmed level of the weekly support, which was at 1193. So we went with the level below that. So you see that how in the first 5 minutes, you see the candle closing right below the 1193. And when you move to the minute chart here, you will see that in the fourth minute, it had already fallen below 1193 area. So that is exactly where you get in puts, right? So, and then it went till, it gave us a nice, good profit, and it went till 11,774.4 without, any stopping. So it crossed its target at, we had targets of 1188, then it went to 1185, and then it broke down there too. And we got out with nice, good profits there. So you see these kind of moves, they need confidence. And also when you see that these kind of moves are very fast, and 5 minutes for these kind of moves can be a lifetime. So sometimes you can just do is that drill down the charts to 1 to 2 minutes time frame, and then just play it accordingly. Just see how far the stock is from the trigger level, and then just play it. So, for example, from yesterday, I'm going to do the shop example. If we did the trade yesterday, so you see, I never got in calls unless it broke my level of 316.45. So once the candle broke up, we got in calls, and how within the span of 3 to 4 minutes, it went up to 320. It touched 320, and then it came all the way down, and that's where we took our profits and came out nicely. Now you see before that level, let's see what was going on before that. So it was all kind of congestion. You see, it was all chop chop. If we have gotten in before that, we would have gotten chopped out, seen more premium decay. So uh, I like to trade breakouts because options burn premium very easily, especially if the stock is volatile. You would see a lot of premium decay very quickly. So breakout trades are fast, they're quick. You scalp those. You take profits if you are in a bigger number of, if you have a if your position size is big, just trim some position, take 50%, for example, trim 50% of your position size, keep some, and then keep trimming. There is no set place where you would take the profit. For example, Google from today, we took profits at $10. I was happy because I entered it at $6, and then it went up till 14 plus dollars somewhere. So it's all hindsight what profits you will get. As long as you have a good chunk of profit with you, I always say I am a conservative trader. I like to take whatever nice profits I can grab from the market, and that I'm happy with that. So this will keep you in the race for longer. You will be more consistent this way. So coming back to the targets. So targets are, the price targets that I give you for a stock. For example, if it's a volatile stock like Amazon, like Shop, yes, we see more often than not, we see our target being met because it moves so much that it would give you your target very easily in the first go, or maybe very quickly. But for stickier stocks, sometimes it's very hard to get to the target. Target is not something definitive. It's not something that is going to happen. If I've written that Shop will go to, I mean, that's the expected target is 320. That does not mean that it will hit 320, and that's where you should wait till to get your profit. It just means that that is the path, that is the intended path of the stock. That's where it should be heading out to. But and it's just to define the position, the define the direction of the stock rather. So I normally, what I do is that if, for example, if I'm holding 5 contracts or 6 contracts maybe, I will trim 50% of the position quickly when I see profits and see how the rest of the contracts are performing, because normally I am playing out the breakout trades, so the move are pretty fast and furious, so I get good chunk of profit, and then I keep trimming as the position keeps going up or however it moves. So that way, even if the position, and it happens that it goes against me, my profits are insured. So when my target is hit, I take all the profit and let price settle a bit. And if my daily goal has been met, I do become a little cautious, and I only like to get in high quality setups at that point. So for example, I'd been waiting for the TTD trade all day. We had a good win with Google. Shop, BYND was okay, but we had a good green day. So I just did not want to spoil it to force a trade and get into anything else because my daily target was met. So the only other trade that I was looking to get in was TTD. If it fell below 180, I was looking to get in puts for a possible target of 175 or low. So, but we did not get it, so I did not get in. So, yeah, so I don't go and look for trades as I don't have to. So same advice goes out for you guys, my fellow traders, that if your daily target has been met, just go relax. Today we had good triggers. We had Amazon put triggered. Some of you played from 17 from the break of 1720.5 till 1716. That is what I missed. So I got in the puts when it broke 14, and I went till 1708ish somewhere, and I got out nicely, and it hit my target at 1709 anyways. And then we got in shop puts, and uh, so we got in, we did not get the trigger for Facebook, TTD. BA, yes, some of the members did message me about getting into BA puts. That went out pretty nicely. So yes, get the confidence if you want to practice. I always tell my members to practice these on paper trade to get confidence, to get your execution right, because execution in options is half the trade. So and I did tweet yesterday about Think or Swim getting coming out for free commissions starting October 3rd. So that is quite a thing. So you can look into that platform. It's a pretty good, decent platform. You would like it. I use that. It's pretty user friendly. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and you guys get answered most of your questions. If you guys do have any more questions, please feel free to message me or email me. And take care. And our TTD did not hit today. Sad. Okay, take care. Bye.